Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform a hard reset of your Bose 700 headphones. Okay, so first of all, just take a look. I'm currently connected with my phone, and to perform the reset you have to be sure that your device is turned on. So this indicator will be like that. It means that the device is turned on, and you have to click and hold this button until you will hear on the right and the left headset information that the Bluetooth devices is clear. So just click and hold it. Also, your currently connection will be removed. So take a look, click and hold this button. Okay, and right now it was this voice notification. I just released the button and take a look. Right now, when I try to connect to my previously connected headphones, I will get another pairing request. As you can see, they disappear from the list. So when I go for the pair new device, okay, let's go back. Let's turn it off and turn it on. I mean the Bluetooth, and you will see that right now that will be right here with the custom name. As you can see, there's new pairing request. So it means that the previously connection was forget, and we successfully restored them to the defaults. And yeah, that's how we can make it. As you can see, that's very simple. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.